Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Welcome to the biology class. Today we will discuss structure of kidney. We are basically discussing the urinary system of humans. We have discussed urinary system of human is made up of two kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Okay. Now we will discuss the kidneys. They are in humans. Basically, there are two kidneys are present, and they are dark red in color, and they shape wise they are bean shape. Okay, and each kidney is about 10 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, and 4 centimeter thick, and it's about 120 gram its weight. Okay, and location wise they are basically placed against the back wall of the abdominal cavity just below the diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm के बिल्कुल नीचे होते हैं, and okay, and they are present on either side of vertebral column. Vertebral column के दोनों side पे there are two kidneys are present, and they are basically protected by the last two ribs. Okay, and position wise the left kidney is higher from little higher than the right kidney. Okay, basically this is human kidney is concave side. This one is the basically concave side of the kidney, and this concave side is the inner side. This inner side of the kidney is the concave side, and outer side is the convex side. And this concave side have a depression inside it. It is called hilus. Okay, this basically area where different structures like arteries, veins, renal pelvis, and different nerves they enter into the kidney. Okay, so this is basically convex side have depression inside it, which is called as hilus. Okay, if we look at its anatomy of human kidney, it is basically made up of two parts. Its outer dark red region is called renal cortex. This is renal cortex, and its inner pale red in color structure is called renal medulla. These renal medulla have different cone-shaped areas, which is called as renal pyramids. Okay, then these renal pyramids they then open into a funnel-shaped cavity, which is called as renal pelvis. This renal pelvis is basically a base of ureter. Okay, so this is the anatomy of human kidney, that it is made up of two parts: renal cortex, which is outer part, and renal medulla, which is inner part. And renal medulla have cone-shaped structures, which is called the renal pyramids. And then these renal pyramids they open into a renal pelvis, which is the base of ureter. Okay, okay. So each human kidney is made up of nephron. Nephron basically is the functional unit of kidney, and they are about 1 million nephrons are present in each kidney. Okay, this is basically the structure of nephron. Okay, nephron basically consists of two parts, which is called as renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Renal corpuscle is further divided into two parts, which is called as glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Okay, glomerulus basically is a network of capillaries. Okay, glomerulus is basically they are network of capillaries, and these capillaries they are formed from the effluent arteries. They emerge from the effluent arteries, and then they join to form a efferent arterioles. Okay, so glomerulus is the network of capillary is the renal corpuscle part. Okay, then this glomerulus is surrounded by a cup-shaped structure, which is called as Bowman's capsule. Okay, this Bowman's capsule surrounds the glomerulus. Okay, then the next part of the nephron is renal tubule, and renal tubule consists of three parts and basically is tube-like structures. Okay, renal tubule is made up of three parts, which is called proximal convoluted tubules and lobar frenulae and distal convoluted tubules. First part of the renal tubule is proximal convoluted tubules. This is proximal convoluted tubules. Okay, then this will move into a U-shaped structure which is called loop of Henle. This is loop of Henle. Okay, it's further made up of descending lip and ascending lip. They have different function. We will discuss it later. And then this will move into a next part which is called as distal convoluted tubules. Okay, so these are the three parts of renal tubules. And then this renal tubules of actually many nephron, they open into a single collecting duct. So next part after distal convoluted tubule is the collecting duct. This is collecting duct, and there are many nephron open into a single collecting duct. And then many collecting ducts, then they join together, they form several hundred papillary ducts, and then which drain into a renal pelvis. Okay, so this is the structure of nephron, which is the functional unit of kidney. Okay, I think it's enough for today, and this is very important regarding पेपर्स के लिहाज से बहुत important है. इसमें किडनी का स्ट्रक्चर भी important है, इसमें नेफ्रॉन is very important. Its parts, what are glomerulus, what is renal corpuscle, what is renal tubules. Okay, you will make short questions and MCQs from it, or learn it thoroughly. Okay, from today I think it's enough. Allah Hafiz.